Hello friends, how are you? So friends, can AI create a full video from just text? This is crazy. So friends, in this video I will show you how to create videos using AI. No editing needed. First, open Chrome and search for Polo AI. Now open the website. Now write your text here. Select video style. Click generate. And now AI creates a full video with images automatically. So friends, this tool is paid, but you can test it for free. So friends, if you want free tools, I will show more in next videos. Take care and thank you.